So in this video you're going to learn about WordPress tutorial for beginners, step-by-step guide. So let's begin, guys. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business, so please consider subscribing. So guys, let's begin. So guys, first things first. Okay, so first we need to install a web hosting. Okay, so for me this is one of the best web hosting, just because they give you a free domain, free SSL, and one-click WordPress installation. If you click the link below, I have 70% discount, so it's in the description. You'll get 70% off. So just click down below and just click on get started, and then I always select the recommended. Okay, and then you can create a new domain. So I already have a domain, but just for the example I'm just gonna create a domain. I'm just gonna click next. And once this is done, fill out your information, and if you're feeling really lazy, just sign in with Google and then come down. I always select 12 months, and then I select this and this, and then put your card details. Once you submit it, you can just go back to your Bluehost, so you'll get an email confirmation after you put your credit card details, and just log in. So once you click on login, you just have to log in, and this will take you to the Bluehost dashboard. Okay, then after this, so once you're in your dashboard, creating a website is really easy. Just click on my sites. Okay, create a site, put your site name. Okay, put your site name over here, put your tagline. Okay, and just click next. Once you're here, okay, all you have to do is just disable all these, because you don't need all these plugins. And just so for you, select your domain from here. So I've already purchased my domain. My domain is yavarkhan.com, and that's it. You don't have to do this, and just click next. But for me, I'm just gonna write it because I already have a website. So I'm just gonna write test4. Okay, and just click next. So guys, within 3 seconds you're gonna install a WordPress website. So it's 1, 2, and 3. So within 3 seconds you have launched your own WordPress website. Congratulations guys, and pat on your back. So now once you log into your WordPress, just you have to click on login to WordPress. So now this will take you to the WordPress dashboard. So guys, once you are over here, your website is launched. As you could see, I can click on site name, visit site. If I click over here, this will take me to my website. Now I'm just gonna post something. So I'm just gonna click over here, add new post. So I'm gonna do my first post. Just gonna type demo 1 and ASDF. Just for example, I'm just gonna publish. Visit site. So guys, congratulations, this is your first post, and creating a website is so easy. Now the next important setting you have to do is click on settings, come back to your dashboard. So once if you are here, click on site name and dashboard and then you can just click on settings, and then once you're in settings, click on permalinks, and then select this option, post name. The reason we are doing this is just because we need. So currently right now, if you visit our site, okay, click this demo 1, it shows some number. We want it to show the post name. This will help us in SEO and Google ranking. So just click save changes. Okay, and then the next step is click on this coming soon active, click over here. Okay, and just launch your site. So this is how Google will start indexing, and your website is launched. Now the next thing what we would do is, currently our website looks very basic, so we are going to add a new theme which will make our website look really beautiful. So just come on appearance and themes, and then click add new, and then I would go for a click. Then once you click on add new, type Astra. There are a lot of websites, but I would suggest once in the beginning, just type Astra, and then just click on install. So depending on your internet speed, it will get installed. So usually it takes me what, 20 seconds. See, it's already installed. I click on activate and then just click on, so once I've activated it, I can go and visit site again. So my website looks really different right now, but now again I want to make it much more better. So what I'm gonna do is click on Astro Options. Okay, once I'm in Astro Options, I'm gonna click on Install Importer Plugin. I'm just gonna click here. So it's activating. So now once that's done, you need to select Elementor. Basically, what is this? It's a free drag and drop builder, so you can design your website really easily. So once that's done, so now you can choose a template. So there are some paid ones and there are some free ones. So the agency ones are the paid ones, but again, for now, don't choose the paid ones, go for the free ones. Let it load. So if you're a trainer, you could use this one, it's free. So let's say I'm gonna use this one. So now what am I gonna do is, on the left hand side you see import site. I'm just gonna click over here. So now you could see it's gonna take 2 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna wait again depending on your internet speed. So I'm just gonna pause the video right now. So guys, I'm almost done. Import complete. And once your import is complete, you can just click on view site. And now as you could see, my website looks really good. This is my website right now. Okay, so it looks really good. Now all you have to do is, let's say you want to edit something, all you have to do is click with edit with Elementor. You can just click over here. So once you click over here, it's really easy to edit, guys. So let's say you want to edit your name over here, you can just click over here, type Yavar Khan. It's so easy. You can just right click, you can delete this, or just I am a web designer, NER, and then you can just click over here, click on style, take this photo, you can change. If I go on the content, you could see the image over here. I could upload my image. I could just click over here, upload a file. I can just go back on my all files. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this picture. So once the picture is uploaded, I can just insert media and then update it. So see, as you could see, my pictures over here. So guys, and then once I update it, I can say view page. So this is how my website looks, guys. It's pretty cool. It's mobile responsive as well, as you could see. Looks really cool. So, and please don't, if you really like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. And see, this is a really good website. I'm a web designer, and the picture is really good and mobile responsive as well. So I'm just gonna cut the video short. This is a beginner tutorial. So that's it. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And guys, if you have watched till the end, I have a free bonus for you. I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I tell you what hosting to use, what plugins to use. It's a really good free course, and on top of that, I tell you how you could make more money making websites. So the link is down below, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I would see you in the next video.